welcome to a new tutorial in Fusion 360. I'm working on the BMW Z4. We are in the episode 19. If you have any question or suggestion, please don't worry and post it in the comment, and I will respond to you when I have the time. Okay, here I add the glass of the car here, but to do that is just to go and choose the right plane and make a curve. Start with the point of this edge, okay. Then use M key to move all the controllers of the spline. As you can see, step by step, we'll make nice work, okay. You can edit your spline, as you can see here, and move it in the X and Y axis. Now I will add another spline between these points, and looking from the front, as you can see here, you can just move this point, okay, make it horizontal. That's not good. You have just to hide the back view and show the front view. The same thing here for this controller. You have just to make it horizontal to see nice result. Okay, from the top is okay, but don't worry, if you have or if you did an error here, it's not a problem, because when you finish this, you can edit the spline or the sketches you did earlier. As you can see here, it takes times to adjust all these curvature to our reference and or the blueprint. Here you can use the loft feature. Just select these like profile and this like rail, okay. You did a nice job here. I invite you to go ahead and add another profile or surface. Here we will work in the side glass of the car. Here maybe when we work on the detail of the car is difficult, because we have to surface all the problems due to the first surfaces, because we did errors. Okay, these errors led us to make more and more errors. Okay, and the solution for that, or to resolve that, is not go so quick and take a time to make all the surfaces nice and in the right position to make the nice result. Okay, you can see here I activate the controller's point, and with this you can just click and drag these points to control your spline or to bend it. Okay, I'm looking from the top now. Okay, I don't want to accelerate the video to see the result. Okay, because when I accelerate the video I noticed that many people don't want to follow the tutorial or follow the video. I know that there are many people know how you can do that, but sorry for the people know that because there are in the other side many people beginner in the patch mode, and it's not good for me to go so quick because it's difficult for them. Okay, so for that I decide to make it slowly and step by step. If I did an error, it's not a problem, I go ahead and repair that. So for this they learn how you can repair things, not just remove it. Okay, but because remove is too easy for all of us, but repair something is not easy. Okay, and the goal here is when you did an error, how you can fix that. Okay, for this I decide to make this slowly. Okay, and if you have a suggestion for that, please leave me a comment, and there are also I want people that are looking for the episode for not free. You can find them in my website that I did all the episode that you can download it from my website khelifaoui.com. Okay, you will find it in the description and below of this video. The people that you like the video, please make a thumbs up and leave me a comment to progress in my channel and add other tutorials. So let's return to our 3D modeling. That's the right side of the glass. Okay, let's go ahead and add another detail. Here I decide to add another surface in the back of the car and leave the more detail to the episode 20. Okay, because the last episode of this series is episode 20, and I will add another episode to make the detail of the wheels. Okay. And people, if you have I have a nice thing to you is the test for you, how you can make the detail of the part that in French or televisor. I don't know how tell this in English. Okay. People that see this, please tell me what's the how we can tell this in English. Okay. Let's return to our car. Is that how you can use the spline to make the rear glass on this car. Here you have just to move this and fit it to the blueprint. As you can see here, I'm using only the controller to fit all the sketches on the blueprint. Okay, reference. It's an error. You have just to return it like this. As you can see here, we have all splines. You have just only to select loft feature and make these like real. And thanks people to watch this, and see you in the next video.